Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Time Machine Backup. First, connect an external hard drive to your Mac. This drive will store all your backups, so make sure it has plenty of free space, ideally 2 to 3 times the size of your Mac's internal storage. Next, open System Settings, find Time Machine, and select your newly connected drive as the backup disk. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you've selected your backup disk, Time Machine will ask if you want to begin your first backup. Click Backup Now to start. Be aware that this initial backup can take several hours, depending on the amount of data you have. After the first one, Time Machine automatically performs hourly backups, keeping daily backups for 1 month and weekly backups for all previous months. If you ever need to recover a specific file or folder, it's incredibly easy. Open a Finder window to the location where the item was, then click the Time Machine icon in your menu bar and choose Enter Time Machine. You can then use the arrows to travel back in time through your backups. Select the items you wish to restore and click the Restore button. In a more serious situation, like replacing your hard drive or getting a new Mac, you can restore your entire system. Restart your Mac and immediately hold down Command-R to enter Mac OS Recovery. From there, select Restore from Time Machine Backup. Choose your backup disk and the specific backup you want to use. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to bring your Mac back to its previous state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.